Good morning everybody. We parked here. This is where we went to bed last night. We did park originally over in one of those new bays, just trying to be away from one neighbour over there. Just don't want to make any noise. Don't want to annoy people. This is so new that the power's not working yet. So we relocated in the dark to over there. It's drizzly. It's not quite the weather we were hoping for, but it's obviously winter, that makes sense. We're planning to head to Dusseldorf, which is 2 hours and 40 minutes away, to our first Christmas market of the day. We got up very late today. It's not going overly well. That's okay, we'll make the most of it obviously. We believe there's a bakery nearby, so that's going to be our stop for breakfast, and then it'll be hitting the road to Dusseldorf. So join us, because it's going to be a good day. I'm going to wake up in a minute. I'm going to get a coffee. We just plugged in so we can get the heater running last night and the fridge. So that's all we need to do. Get rid of that cable and we can head off. Shall we hit the road? Let's go, guys. Rounded out on a speed bump. We weren't even going fast, like a scraping noise where the bottom of the motorhome scraped. It's not ideal, is it? So we're just heading this way to a bakery. It's 3 minutes away now. It added about 2 minutes on our route, so that's quite good. I hope it's open because I am starving. Jaynie is very, very hungry. She keeps saying she needs lots and lots of food and lots of coffee.
I don't drink coffee.
Yeah, you said coffee. I'm sure you said you wanted coffee. But if you're having a coffee, I could have a coffee. Go on then, I'll have a coffee. If you insist, I might have a coffee. And maybe some yummy pastries as well. Only because you mentioned it. Right guys, we have arrived at a bakery. Let's go and see what we can find. I need to go get some cash because their card machine's broken. So I'll be back in a minute, okay? See you in a minute. So they had a card machine, but it's dead and I don't have any cash. I owed Ethan euros because we borrowed it on the last trip, and I decided to give it back to him, which was a bit silly because it was in my wallet and I gave it to him. And then he's been really smart, well done Ethan, and he's not brought any money with him at all. Saved up from various gifts from grandparents and us and stuff over the last couple of years. He's managed to save up 130 euros. He's very clever because what he does is he gets given money and he doesn't take it with him. So he just leaves it. And he says, can we have something? And I say, yep, get your money out. And he says, I haven't got any money with me. Well done, Ethan. So he's a very, very good example of how to save. Don't take money out with you. The lovely people explained how to get to the cash machine. They did say left at the church, and can you see it? There. Big tall building. So if I go left at the church, I might find a cash point. If I can't find it, I'll just search on the map. Much easier than following directions. One thing we noticed on our last Christmas market tour was how nice everything is, how well kept everything is. And it's the same here. Now this is fancy. Cash machines are indoors. Right, mission complete, I've got cash. The people around here are so helpful. There's 4 machines in there, and there was 2 people already. And straight away they said to me, those 2 aren't very good, just wait for this one. I love how in Europe there's so much more community. Everything works nicer when you do things together. So I guess my conclusion is, thank you Europe, thank you for being so kind. Anyway, from the bakery, I ordered 2 croissants and 2 pain au chocolat, I think that's what they were. Now that I've had a walk, I might add some more stuff to the order. Maybe I don't, because we're going to have more food later. What do you think I should do, guys? I don't know what to do. I'm back, look, motorhome, bakery's just up here. So today we have rain, we have lorries, and we had some sheep. No coffee and no sun. Very important things. We're going to push on, we're going to keep going, we're going to persevere. We've got 2 hours, 30 minutes to go, which is 218 kilometres. It's quite a way, and we got up late. We were planning to get to the market for like 11 o'clock in the morning, but we're now due at 1:30. The difference is vast. I suppose we can get there, have some food, stay like an hour, maybe an hour and a half, let's see, and then journey down to the next one, which is only half an hour away, 40 minutes I think. Maybe just go straight from one to the other. What would you do? Would you do 2 Christmas markets in a day? Probably not, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to give it a go. The kids are going to love it, I'm sure. They'll love it a bit anyway. They might not love it as much as we want them to, but we'll tell them that they're enjoying it. We'll all have a lovely time, won't we? We will have a lovely time. On y va! We've arrived at a fuel station here in, where are we, dear? Belgium, we think. We might be, yeah, we must be in Belgium. I don't know, I'm sure you drive into Belgium, then Netherlands, then back to Belgium. But honestly, I should be looking on the map to give you this information, but I haven't got anything to tell you. I'm so sorry. Right, it's time to fill up now. We're at half a tank, so we've done half a tank to get all the way to here. I think it's quite good. Right, so that's 89 euros. I guess that's about £70. Time to go in and get a coffee. Right guys, I've got my coffee. Let's hit the road. We've got about an hour and a half to go. Let's keep going. We've not left yet. But Jaynie just said she wants a peppermint tea. In fact, I said, do you want something? She said no. And then I said, yeah, but you do, don't you? So it's time to go and get some peppermint tea. It's called a minty Marrakesh. I hope it's the right thing. Right guys, so it's now time for Jaynie to do the taste test of the mint tea that I got her from the service station. It's not the mint tea she wanted, I know that. It's a mint tea Marrakesh, so I'm assuming it's definitely got some more flavours other than the mint she wanted. So let's see how she does.
Cheers. Yeah, that doesn't taste like peppermint tea. But still nice, I'll still drink it. Can't quite work out what the flavours are though.
I'm greatly confused. We've just gone into the Netherlands. Now that might not sound confusing. I thought we'd already been in the Netherlands because that's where I thought our campsite was. Maybe it's not. Maybe we didn't go into the Netherlands. So, let's re-clarify. We left the UK yesterday and we probably didn't drive into the Netherlands, even though I said we did. What probably happened is we slept in Belgium and we didn't sleep in the Netherlands. We're now in the Netherlands, but we probably weren't before. So all that confusion, I do apologise. I just didn't know where we were. Anyway, we're now in the Netherlands, and hopefully our next stop may be Germany. On y va. Right guys, Motorhome is back there. We are going to Dusseldorf Christmas market. That's market number 1. From what we read, the market seems to be spread out over quite a large area. So who knows what we will see today and how much we'll be able to cover. But we will be having a good look and hopefully getting some yummy food.
Happy Christmas!
So we decided to go on this. Now this is the view, everyone. This is the view. You can see a bit. You can see a bit this way, but you can't see a lot. Right guys, we've just got back from the market. We had a really good time. That was fun, wasn't it, Eva?
I had a great time.
We did, and it started to rain a bit more than we liked, so we've come back. The battery also died in the camera, which wasn't helpful. It's so cold that the energy just falls out of it, I think. Doesn't matter, we're gonna head off to the next market. Let's hope the batteries last a little bit longer. Let's go. So some great planning on my part. It turns out that our next Christmas market is in the middle of an environmental zone. So without a badge, we cannot go there. I've checked and unfortunately we can't even buy one last minute. So we're going somewhere different. We're not going to a Christmas market. Well, we might not be. Not the one we were going to go to anyway. It's we're going to go to a castle. It might be good. So just stay along, see what happens, and let's see if you think that this stop is better than going to a Christmas market. And hopefully we'll find somewhere to eat as well, because we need some kind of nice hot meal, I think. Some kind of restaurant of some kind. Should we carry on? Let's go. What do we say? Right guys, Motorhome in the distance there. We've just stopped at this place. I'm just getting a coffee. We're about an hour away from the destination, and I thought I'd just get the kids a little snacks and just some chips. Don't get excited. Ordered, I got a drink, I got the kids some chips, and Jaynie has some curly fries, and I've got a hamburger. It's meant to be a snack, but we don't get hungry, do we? So we're 13 minutes away. You probably can't see me, but good news is it's nearly time for some food. If we can find a restaurant near where we're parked, we will be going out for some yummy food. Are you hungry, dear?
Yes.
Good. Well, let's see what we can find.
Meters at the roundabout. Continue straight to stay on L495.
So we're on our way to our motorhome stop this evening. Checked out the restaurant selection, and to be honest, it's great, but we're not really that hungry. We've come to Lidl. We've come to Lidl, and we're going to have a look round, grab some snacks and stuff, I think, and just relax.
Eva, look at this. You see the honeycomb in it?
Yeah.
It's really cool.
So Lidl coffee is €1. I haven't got any capacity to try another coffee today, so I won't, because I've already had 2. But if I did, I would go with one of those, because that looked like quite a good deal, if it was as good as it looks in the picture.
They're from Germany.
Right, shopping complete. Time to find the campsite. Let's go. Right, so we are excited and sighted. Jaynie's cooking. What are you cooking, dear?
Sausages, peppers with some hummus.
It looks and smells delicious. Those very German sausages look very German, which is exciting. And Eva, where are you? Say hi to everyone. Hi everyone. And Ethan is doing a super good job. What are you doing, Ethan?
Hi, I'm pulling the coach back in the bag.
Well done. So Ethan's tidying, which is a very important job. We've just been outside, we've plugged in. We have to pay for the electricity here, but the site is free. Free! I know. These European people are just nice, aren't they? We like Europe?
Yeah!
Europe is so friendly, accommodating, hospitable. I don't know how to describe it. It's like nothing we have at home, is it, dear?
No, I agree.
Yeah,
Very nice.
we do love it here. Europe is just so good when it comes to so many things. So the cost of this is, like I said, €0, and then it's like 50 cents or something per kilowatt hour, I think it was, or something, I don't know. It wasn't very expensive. So just now we had quite a crazy scenario. The diesel heater was on, heating had just been turned on to test it. We've got the heat being generated by the stoves, 3 sources of heat, getting a bit warm. So diesel heater off, heating off, max air fan extracting heat, and the fumes and stuff coming from the cooking thing going on over there. We just parked there, motorhome, but there's actually another motorhome there. That's the one that you saw just now in Lidl, or Aldi, whichever one it was. Lidl or Aldi, I don't know where we went. They were parked up while we were shopping. They left. We arrived here about a minute after they arrived. We weren't following them, I promise. And if you're watching this, we didn't follow you. These buildings, I don't know what they are yet. I need to research it. But look, they've got lovely Christmas decorations. So while Eva has time to wind down, me and Ethan are going for a
Walk.
Look, he's really wrapped up, aren't you? I can't even see you. So we're going to go find somewhere to explore. I haven't really looked at where we're going yet, so this is definitely very unplanned, isn't it? Now there's a castle round here, which we believe is over the other side of this hedge. We had 2 planes probably take off about an hour ago when we were eating our food, and it was so loud, wasn't it, Ethan? Those aeroplanes, what were they like?
Very loud.
Very loud, they were, weren't they? The motorhome was shaking. I think this place is really close. So about 2 minutes, 3 minutes walk. We've seen the castle. We've also got a play park. So anyone with kids, that looks great. There's loads of stuff over. There's a zip line, swings, there's a pirate ship, seesaw, other stuff, more stuff, and that stuff over there. So there's all these things. There's even some lockers here. I don't know what the lockers are for. I guess you could put your stuff in there if you want. So behind us we have a kebab shop, some kind of cafe, and I guess that's a pub, but it's not open at the moment. I'm going to keep walking.
We saw this church along railway and now we found it.
So for you unaware and confused, we planned to go to 2 Christmas markets today. And if you've paid any attention, we didn't, because, well, we went to one, not 2. Now the reason is, the second one was in Cologne, and sadly we would have needed a special permit, a emissions thing to be able to go into that area, which we don't have. I was going to apply for them when we got the motorhome, but because we weren't going anywhere near the cities of Germany, I didn't bother. It didn't seem worthwhile, but it seems that I was wrong. No to Cologne. Hopefully tomorrow the places we're going are suitable, but I will be looking tonight and double checking so that the video next week actually has some Christmas related content. Let's keep walking. It's time for us to go to bed now. Ethan, say goodnight everyone.
Night.
Night. See you tomorrow. Bye.